Lights out, lying in your arms, and these feelings start to change. One look into your eyes, and I'm floating far away. I've never been here before. I don't know the score, but
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I'm back with this unit I received from Ywigs. So this unit is 100% Brazilian human hairless wig. So this unit is a loose deep wave and it is 150% density. This unit comes with invisible lace, you guys. So it does have, you know, the fixed scalp installed already, so you don't really have to worry about, you know, the fixed scalp and all that bold cap kind of method. And this is a glueless unit, so you can actually wear this unit without using any glue or anything like that. So the unit comes with adjustable straps, and it also comes with the elastic band. But as you can see, guys, this invisible cap is a little bit lighter for my skin tone. I would recommend that you do personalize it. Okay, so in this video I did forget to personalize myself, excuse me girls. Okay, but yeah, you need to make sure that it matches your own skin tone. So this has deep parting, like seriously, and I love the parting space. So I just love how the hair is feeling, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and start personalizing my unit, you guys. So if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, guys, please do click the subscribe button. Also make sure that you're following me on Instagram and my Facebook page. I will be holding a giveaway on my Instagram pretty soon, so you make sure that you're following me, guys. So as you can see, guys, this wig comes ready made for you guys. You see that they did an amazing job plucking this unit. So I did not pluck the unit at all because it is actually like ready to go. Like I said, this unit is a glueless wig. You don't really have to go through this process because I was going to work, so I wanted my wig to stay put. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video, and I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. Absolutely love the way this unit feels, you guys. I love the texture. I love the density of this unit, you guys. So the wig construction is so good. Like, they did an amazing job personalizing this unit, you guys. And I did not experience a lot of shading with this unit. I just love the quality of this unit, you guys. Like, it's a ready to go unit straight from the box.
Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar.
So let me know what you think, you guys. Do you prefer the hair in its natural state, like dry natural state, or you actually prefer the wet look? I love both. I felt like I can rock this unit both ways. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.